Hey, what's up YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again, removing medical collections, removing these medical collections. We're taking care of this right now. An individual writes in, hey, I just want to know how I can get rid of this one medical collection, all right? Otherwise, this individual has great credit, all right? They had an 800 credit score. They had an 800 credit score prior to this little medical collection dragging them down, all right? I sent my validation letters to the collectors, but I'm wondering what else I should be doing and working on during this process. So, you've sent your collection letters to the collectors. Now, they're gonna send something back, right? If they send some medical information, CPT codes or medical operations or medical procedures or whatever it was without a signed HIPAA release, you can send your HIPAA dispute letters. But in this, it seems as if you have not sent your 609 dispute letters to the credit bureaus. You can do that at the same time. You can do that now. You can do this. Credit repair starts when? It starts now. So you can do this now. You can send that in. Now, when you send this in, all right? When you send this in, you can put unverified account, no contract for medical collection. So on the letters, you're disputing unverified accounts, unverified late payments, unverified account, no contract for medical collection. So you put the medical collection there, you can put the partial account number, and then in the next column, you put unverified account, no contract for these medical collections. I know you're thinking, hey, I sent my debt validation letter to the collectors. You also want to put pressure on the bureaus to be able to have to try and reach out and say, hey, look, what's going on here? We didn't get anything. They're asking for very specific information, right? You're asking for very specific information, unverified account, no contract. We need this information within 30 days from them getting the letters, right, to postmark your response, okay? So make sure you're doing this two-pronged approach. Collections, get the collection validation letters to the collectors, and a collector fails to validate letter could be sent as well if you've got that information now, right? So you sent letters to the collectors. If they've sent stuff to you that isn't, hey, maybe they didn't have any medical records, right? They're barely keeping records, but they don't have anything. Hey, collector fails to validate letter with your 609 dispute letter, unverified account, no contract. You can do this, 609creditrepair.com, or we can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com. Please give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, try button, and until I see you in person, I will see you on the other side. Take care.